Hello everyone and welcome back to another video with Twisted Beauty, where in this space and on this channel I believe that makeup is an art, our face is the canvas, and we all color differently. Now in today's video we are going to be doing a Ulta haul, and you guys that have been here on the channel before will know that it's a haul because of our background. So if you want to see some things that I got, then just keep on watching. So ladies, I am so glad that you have clicked on this video and want to see some of the things that I picked up from Ulta. So with the very first thing that I picked up was these Purity one-step cleansing cloths. You guys, I am so excited about these, and I have used them once already. I usually use the actual solution for the Purity one-step facial cleanser, and it works excellent for me. I have sensitive skin and it is definitely getting the job done with my skin. It cleanses my face of all the makeup. I don't have to go back in and use a toner or this and that, unless of course you want to. However, it does a really good job at cleansing my skin, and it doesn't feel dried out. It feels very moisturized afterwards. So I wanted to give these wipes a try, and I do not remember what the price of them were, but I did pick them up off of the website because I went in store to get them because I wanted them real quick and they didn't have them in there. So if you guys have sensitive skin, you're looking for something that you just want to, clean your face, even if you don't have makeup on and you can't seem to get to a sink with soap and water, this would be great for traveling because you don't need to rinse anything off and it thoroughly cleanses your face. The next thing that I picked up was the e.l.f. This is the liquid bronzer and contouring duo brush. I did actually pick up the liquid bronzer in store, and I was looking for this brush and I could not find it anywhere. So I decided that I would also get this online, and I haven't tried it yet, but I'm planning on using it in one of my videos. So I'm really glad that I got that. The next thing that I did pick up from Ulta was the NYX. This is the Ultimate Battle Plan. This is the Home Alone eyeshadow palette. And you guys, I'm going to try to get this in so you can see the colors. I am so excited about doing a look with this palette. So I am definitely going to be using this in an upcoming video. Get ready with me. So stay tuned so you guys can see this palette right here in action. So my bag is packed with some goodies, and y'all just stay with me. Stay with me. The next thing that I did pick up was the Morphe Compose Yourself. This is the, let me see this too. This is 6 brushes, well, actually 5, and a beauty blender it came with. It was originally $28, but I believe it was on sale for like $12. So I did pick that up, and I'm so happy to have that. Gonna be using this in an upcoming video as well. So y'all just stay tuned. I picked up the Morphe Nude Ambition palette as well. I have not opened this or used it, so I have a plan for this too. I'm gonna try to take it out so you guys can see what it looks like. I will not be swatching it because I will do that in another video. But oh my goodness, the packaging is so pretty. I didn't know that the box inside was going to look sort of like the outer carton. No mirror, but that's absolutely fine. This is just a beautiful neutral eyeshadow palette, and I cannot wait to get into this and do some really nice looks. Actually, I might do a comparison because this is really reminding me of a Jaclyn Hill palette that is also made by Morphe. So we'll get into that at a later time. Let's see what else I got in here. I have the actual e.l.f. Camo Liquid Bronzer, and I got mine in the shade Tan Bronze, which you guys did see this. I used this in my previous video, and if you guys have not seen that, please go check it out. It's a video all about forgiveness and the benefits of forgiveness for you. So if you're having trouble with forgiveness, little plug, go ahead and check that video out. It's quite lengthy, but watch what you can watch, get what you can get, eat the meat, spit out the bones. You know how that goes. But this is the e.l.f. Liquid Camo Bronzer, and this is in Tan Bronze number 6. And like I said, I plan on using the two of these together. I really did like that liquid bronzer when I used it, so, you know, spoiler alert for that. I also picked up the Morphe. This seems like this is a Morphe dedicated video, but I promise you that was not my intention. I picked up the Chubby Buffer Concealer Brush, and you guys, if you haven't seen this brush, it's just like a little fluffy brush. I do use it a lot of times in my videos when I'm doing a makeup tutorial and I'm putting on my eyeshadow base. This is the perfect brush for that. Let me see what the number is. It's a M173. So this was originally, I believe, $12. This was on sale for $6. So if you need one of these, run to Ulta and pick up a couple, one, whatever you think that you need. I also picked up this matte. This is from the Ulta Beauty collection. This is a matte veil long wear eye primer. I do have some eye primers from them that are matte, but this one was claiming that it will keep the oils off of your lids. I do have very oily lids, so I try different eyeshadow primer bases and primers all the time because I'm trying to get something that's going to stop my shadows from creasing, because once the oil starts to come through on my lids, it's breaking down the shadow, and then I'm going to start creasing, and then my look is going to not be looking, okay? If you have oily lids, oily skin, you know what it's all about. You know that struggle. So I am trying this one. I think this one was, I want to say this was $10, but I'm not 100% sure. But I will be trying that out as well, and I will let you guys know what I think about that. We got a few more things down in here. I have this peel off lip liner stand, and this is from Sachet, and I certainly hope that I'm saying that right. I got mine in the color Hazel, and it's supposed to be a golden brown. And let's see what this looks like if I can get it open. I don't know. I have never used this. I was planning on using this in a video with you guys. Yeah, that's probably what we're going to have to do because I don't want to hold you. But it looks like this is how you apply it. This is one of those, I've wanted to give this a try. You put it on and then you you let it set and then you peel it off, and your liner is supposed to be there. So I will be trying this out in an upcoming video. Now, I know I was sharing the things that I had hauled with you guys, but if you like what I was hauling and you do want to come back and see me use some of these products, girl, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and the notification bell so that you will be notified the very next time I upload another video. Now, let's get back. Let's see what else I got. I got this right here. Now, you guys, I know you're going to say, well, you just said you have oily skin, so why would you pick up that? Well, I'm trying to see in the wintertime, I am not as oily as I am in the summer. So I'm trying to give this a benefit of the doubt. And I was actually intrigued because I'm thinking this might look pretty good on the skin. I usually like to go for a light, not full face cakey makeup look. So this is the MAC Strobe Dewy Skin Tint. And I got mine in the shade Deep 3. And this is what the shade is trying to give me. And this is what it's looking like. So I do plan on doing a video on everything that I have hauled to you guys today. Hopefully this is what the shade comes out to be like, because I think if that is the case, it's going to match my skin fairly well. So we'll see. I'll be getting into that pretty soon. The other thing that I picked up was this Essence, the Slim Stick. This is supposed to be a 6-hour long-lasting, long-wearing lipstick. And I got this one in the shade Chocoholic. I don't know, guys. I've never seen these before, but this did not cost a lot. I think this was like $2 or something like that. I'm gonna swatch it so you guys can see what the shade looks like. And it's so nude, and that's why I really like it, that you're probably not even gonna be able to see it on my skin. I'm gonna try to get up real, okay. So yeah, you guys can see it right there. But yeah, it really, really matches the skin. Like, it's a very nice nude shade for brown skin. So you could take that deep. What I'm planning on doing is using this as a liner, putting this on the lips, and then throw a little gloss on top. And baby, we gonna be doing something, okay? So I'll be bringing that to you in another video. I did also pick up, MAC had this Everyday Luxury Mini Luster Glass Lipstick Trio in neutral. So you get 3 little lipsticks here. And I did pick that up. And I'm trying to see what the shades are that I got. If it tells me anywhere on here. And my ladies, it does not. So I'll be using these two in upcoming videos, and I will be sure to make sure I let you guys know when I'm doing that. The next thing, and this is the last thing that I purchased from Ulta, is the Win Beauty Grand Slam set. And this was a 2-part. I believe this was $29. Yes, $29. I did show you guys this excuse me, in my other previous video that I just filmed. And I was actually using, at the time, you get 2 of them in the box. I was using, this one here is called Trophy, and I'm going to try to swatch that for you guys. And these are like glosses more so than lipsticks. Yeah, these are glosses. And I'm so excited for that. Oh, I might set that on top of that Chocoholic. Yes, these, and this is the one that I actually ended up using in my previous video. Did I hold up Trophy? I don't think I did. I think I just swatched it. This is what Trophy looks like. It's like a gold shimmer. And then this is what Acceptance Speech is looking like. So I'm just trying to swatch these and then show you guys the actual swatches. So yeah, this one here is Trophy, not Trophy Wife. If I said that, I'm sorry, because that's Fenty. And then this one here is Acceptance Speech. So these are 2 beautiful shades for deeper skins, actually any skin for that matter. But if you're looking for some nice glosses coming this Christmas, you know, if you're going to any holiday parties, Thanksgiving even, these are some beautiful glosses to pick up while you can, if they're still available. Like I said, $29. It's the Win Beauty Grand Slam set right here. So you guys, that's it for today from Ulta. I'm so happy I could share the things that I got from there. I hope that you guys seen something that you like, get some inspiration to pick up some Christmas gifts. And until next time, be blessed. Let us come back and do it all over again. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, YouTube.